Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, we are happy to present an amazing collection of short hairstyling ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase a wide range of stunning haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These captivating hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. Join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in a variety of beautiful colors. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, or from anywhere else in the world. These hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. Beautiful ladies, your ultimate destination for all things short hair. In today's video, we have an extraordinary collection of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find the perfect look. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have handpicked a variety of options to suit all hair types and styling preferences. When it comes to hairstyles, the possibilities are endless. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie cuts are famous for their ability to exude confidence and elegance. Whether you want a sleek and sophisticated look or a more beautiful look, there is a pixie cut that will perfectly complement your features. These short hairstyles not only offer modern appeal, but also provide the benefit of low maintenance styling, making them a great choice for busy people who still want to look their best. As you dunk yourself in this video, you'll be captivated by the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a work of art. From classic shades like black and warm browns, the color options are limitless. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we are happy to present some amazing transformative haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. Before and after transformation serve as a powerful reminder of the impact a haircut can have on a person's overall appearance and self-esteem. We sincerely hope you're enjoying the video so far. Remember to watch until the end as we have many more stunning hairstyles to share with you. If you're finding inspiration from these short haircut ideas, please take a moment to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear which styles you like the best and how they inspired you to adopt a new look. If you have not done yet, so we invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. By doing this, you'll never miss out on any of our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, helpful tips and informative tutorials. We are dedicated to being your go-to source for all things short hair, and we are excited to share more amazing content with you in the future. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the latest trends and hairstyling ideas. Until next time, take care and see you soon.